underwater taking some lovely marine life photography. Uh-oh. Wait, everybody, there's another shark out there. Oh no, this is not good. I gotta get George's attention. I need your help. On a count of three, everybody shout out, George! 1, 2, 3, George! Thank you, George, get out of the water. There's a shark, man. George? No. Oh, everybody, this is terrible. George was such a beautiful person on the inside. Oh, look. You can see how beautiful his insides are right now. Oh, we've got a plan. We're gonna pull forward and hide behind these super safe barrels of gasoline. Escape that shark attack. Oh, hey, does anybody here happen to know what kind of shark that was? Anybody know? A great white shark. Close. That was a plastic shark. And that mechanical shark was added to the studio tour all the way back in 1976. And even though this is a theme park attraction, this area called Jaws Lake still gets used for a whole bunch of filming. A scene for The Good Place filmed right there. It's the one where Eleanor's looking for her pet lizard and she ends up shoving Cheaty in a whole bunch of water. That's up there. Oh, anybody here a big fan of Key and Peele, right? Love their sketches. One of my